Hey guys, how are you? So today we are gonna check how to optimize content using cPanel. Before we go there, we must know why optimizing is must. When we initially develop web app or website, over time it goes slower and thus optimizing is required. So the first option is optimize content. cPanel provides you the option to optimize content. For that, you would want to go over to your cPanel and search optimize, and then you will land on this page where you can tap on compress all content and hit update settings. Second one is to update your web app to use latest versions, and for that you would need to go to cPanel and search PHP selector. Basically, your website must be using latest versions of PHP, so it will list the PHP versions which you can select and ensure it's compatible with your website. Not only PHP version, if you are using WordPress or Drupal, ensure it is up to date as well. Third one that we have here is enable caching. It can drastically help you reduce your website loading time. For this, you would want to go over to your cPanel admin and then search cache. Based on your cPanel provider, it will give you the caching option. Click on flush all, and then you can click on WordPress cache and you can enable the feature. Fourth one that we have here is optimize your database. So your database can store unnecessary data, so it must be optimized. For this, go to your cPanel admin and search phpMyAdmin. Then select your database and scroll down, check all tables, click on with selected, and optimize table option to optimize database. The last one is hotline protection. It reduces the risk of resource utilization. To do it, go to cPanel admin, search hotline protection, and then ensure it is enabled. You can also type your domain name if it's not already added there, and then hit submit. I hope you liked the video. If you want more tech related information, you can always go on my website, open your favorite browser, type TechDecipher.com, and just surf the content of my website. I post new content every week or every 14 days. So you can also bookmark the page if you like, and I hope to see you in the next video.